An apple a day keeps the pounds away. But how exactly does this humble fruit help you shed those extra pounds? Want to lose weight? Feel amazing? Apples can help. They are not just a tasty snack, they are a powerhouse of nutrition. They're not just delicious, they're secret weight loss weapons. Apples are rich in dietary fiber, which helps you feel full longer. Packed with fiber and low in calories, apples fill you up fast. This means you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks. This means less snacking and fewer cravings. Imagine replacing your usual high-calorie snacks with a crisp, juicy apple. Plus, they're full of vitamins and minerals to keep your body healthy and energized. Apples contain vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants. Let's explore how to use apples to transform your weight loss journey. From breakfast to dinner, apples can be a versatile addition to your meals. Get ready for some fun and tasty tips. You can add apples to your salads, bake them into desserts, or even blend them into smoothies. Say goodbye to boring diets and hello to the wonderful world of apples. Embrace the apple revolution and watch the pounds melt away while enjoying every bite. Losing weight can be delicious. Ditch the diet doom and gloom. Losing weight doesn't have to be about deprivation. It's about making smart choices and enjoying the process. Apples are here to make your journey tasty and fun. Imagine this: a sweet and crunchy apple with a dollop of peanut butter for a satisfying snack, or a refreshing apple salad with grilled chicken for a healthy and delicious dinner. Who said losing weight couldn't be a party in your mouth? Apples, the crunchy, juicy secret weapon. Let's talk about why apples are nutritional powerhouses. They're low in calories, which is great for weight management, but they're high in fiber, which keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Fiber also helps regulate your digestion, which is key for a healthy gut, and a healthy gut means a happier you. Apples are also packed with vitamins like vitamin C, which boosts your immune system. Plus, they contain antioxidants that fight off harmful free radicals in the body. Apple-licious meals for a slimmer you. Time to get creative in the kitchen. Apples are not just for snacking, they can be the star of your meals. Apples are incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into countless dishes. From breakfast to dinner and even snacks, apples add a delightful crunch and a burst of flavor. Start your day with a warming bowl of oatmeal topped with sliced apples, cinnamon, and a drizzle of honey. This combination not only tastes amazing, but also provides a nutritious start to your day, packed with fiber and antioxidants. For lunch, enjoy a refreshing salad with spinach, grilled chicken, sliced apples, walnuts, and a light vinaigrette. The apples add a sweet crunch that perfectly complements the savory chicken and the earthy spinach. Dinner can be a flavorful turkey burger on a whole wheat bun with a side of apple slaw. The apple slaw, made with shredded apples, cabbage, and a tangy dressing, adds a refreshing twist to the classic turkey burger. And for snacks, try apple slices with peanut butter, apple chips, or a small apple with a handful of almonds. The possibilities are endless. Apples are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can help you stay full and satisfied throughout the day. So next time you're in the kitchen, think apples and get creative with your meals. Your taste buds and your waistline will thank you. Remember, balance is key to a healthy lifestyle. While apples are fantastic for weight loss, they're not the only thing you need. Aim for a balanced plate that includes lean protein, healthy fats, and whole grains. Think of apples as your secret weapon to help you achieve that balance. They add sweetness and flavor without the added calories and fat. Plus, their high fiber content helps you stay full and satisfied, preventing overeating. Let's have some fun with apple trivia. Did you know that there are over 7,500 apple varieties worldwide? That's a lot of apples. Each apple variety has a unique flavor profile, so experiment and find your favorites. Apples are also incredibly hydrating, with about 85% water content. They're naturally fat-free, sodium-free, and cholesterol-free. Talk about a guilt-free snack. Keep these fun facts in mind as you enjoy your apple-licious journey. Losing weight shouldn't feel like a chore. It's about making sustainable changes that you can enjoy in the long run. Embrace the journey and find joy in healthy eating. Experiment with different apple recipes. Get creative with your meals and have fun with it. Remember, small changes add up over time. Don't be afraid to indulge in your favorite treats occasionally. The key is moderation and balance. Find what works for you and make it a lifestyle, not a temporary fix. Incorporate apples into your daily routine effortlessly. Keep a bowl of apples on your kitchen counter for a quick and easy snack. Pack an apple in your lunch bag for a healthy midday treat. Slice apples into your morning cereal or yogurt for added sweetness and crunch. Get creative and experiment with different ways to sneak in those apples. The more you enjoy them, the more likely you are to stick with your healthy habits. Meet Sarah, a busy mom of two who struggled with her weight for years. Juggling the demands of motherhood, work, and personal time, Sarah found it challenging to maintain a healthy lifestyle. The stress and lack of time often led her to make poor dietary choices, which only compounded her weight issues. She tried countless diets, but nothing seemed to stick. From low-carb to juice cleanses, Sarah felt like she had tried it all. Each new diet promised quick results, but they were either too restrictive or too complicated to follow long-term. Frustration set in as she saw little to no progress, and she often found herself back at square one. Then she discovered the power of apples. It started with a simple suggestion from a friend who mentioned how apples could be a great low-calorie snack. Intrigued, Sarah decided to give it a try, not expecting much. Sarah started incorporating apples into her daily diet, enjoying them as snacks, adding them to salads, and even baking with them. She found that apples were not only delicious, but also incredibly versatile. Whether she was craving something sweet or looking for a crunchy addition to her meals, apples fit the bill perfectly. She was amazed by how full and satisfied apples made her feel, and the weight started to come off naturally. Unlike other diets, this didn't feel like a chore. The natural fiber in apples helped curb her appetite, and she no longer felt the need to reach for unhealthy snacks. Over time, she noticed a significant change in her body and her energy levels. Today, Sarah is at a healthy weight and feels more energetic than ever. She can keep up with her kids, enjoy outdoor activities, and has even taken up jogging. The transformation has been more than just physical. Sarah feels a renewed sense of confidence and well-being. She credits her success to making small, sustainable changes, with apples playing a starring role. By focusing on simple, manageable adjustments rather than drastic overhauls, Sarah found a path to lasting health. Her story is a testament to the power of consistency and the impact of seemingly small choices. Now, she shares her journey with others, hoping to inspire them to find their own apple-licious success. So, are you ready to embark on your own apple-licious weight loss adventure? Remember, it's not about deprivation or strict rules. It's about making healthy choices that you enjoy. Grab an apple, get creative in the kitchen, and get ready to feel amazing. You've got this. Start incorporating apples into your diet today and experience the delicious and healthy benefits for yourself. Here's to a happier, healthier you. If you find this video interesting and helpful, feel free to click on my other videos in this channel to gain more information that will assist you along your weight loss journey.